Mabuhay! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you happen to be new here, I'm Melanie, aka Contempairs. If you want to improve your style, get inspired and be motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click that red button there, that one. Did you see that? Thank you. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos. And guys, I have a live streaming and the segment is stay-at-home moms to boss ladies. So please join us Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. CST time and 8 a.m. Philippine time. So if you have time to join us, feel free to be there and chat with us. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's get started. It would be a unboxing. And I just want to let you know the story behind it. I got these products for free. I just watched and supported a Facebook page, which is the PEGTALK. They are three women that are doing a talk show here in our province in Manitoba. But if you're not from here, you can still join the game. Everything, the topic that they have, it's very good talk show. You're gonna learn a lot from it. It's very interesting, so make sure follow them, and I'll put the link in the description, the PEGTALK FB page, and they have a YouTube channel to please support them because they have a lot of prizes that you can win there. Not just prizes, you get a lot of valuable information. You can chat with a lot of people and you can network. You can do networking there too. So these products I got them free. So it's free giveaways unboxing, beauty unboxing. So let's start. So this is the talk show, PEGTALK. This is not a sponsor video, okay? I'm doing it for free, this video, because I love unboxing. As you all know, I have a lot of unboxing. If you missed some of my unboxing videos, check this out. And I am a stay-at-home mom, so free giveaways are really good. A good deal, right? I didn't buy anything. I just supported. If you're supporting, it's a give and take. So this is what I got for free because I won and I stay on their live streaming. So this is what I got. First is this e-pouch. I did a live streaming opening some of it, and I think if you remember, if you're watching right now and you saw this product here in this bag, bear with me because I want to do it again. E-pouch antiseptic hand sanitizer. So we all need sanitizer, especially with the situation we are in right now, right? Yes. Hand sanitizer, so cool. And what else I got? So I got this pain lustrant polisher bar. So apply in a gentle rotating motion to dampen skin. Thoroughly rinse with warm water. Polisher bar. So I'm excited to try them. So lastly, for this bag, I got free whitening fluoride toothpaste. Whitening fluoride toothpaste. These products from Nuskin. If you are familiar with these beauty products, Nuskin, I've heard a lot of good things about this particular brand, so feel free to check it out. Nuskin, Nuskin. So brighten and whiten teeth, aids in the prevention of dental cavities, and provide long-lasting, smooth, clean mouth feel. Oh, I love whitening toothpaste. Even the charcoal toothpaste, I use charcoal toothpaste too. As you can see, I have pretty decent color of teeth, right? But let's move on to this beauty box. Top beauty box picks. Yes. What do you think it's inside? This is my very first time getting a free giveaways. That's why I'm so excited that, oh, here's another content, if you know what I mean. So you guys check them out, PEGTALK MB here in YouTube, and in Facebook they call PEGTALK. May katok ka dito. So hello to everybody from PEGTALK. Amazing show last Friday. I'm sorry I didn't stay, but I support you all the way, guys. Your talk show is amazing. So let's see what's inside. Woo-hoo. Okay. Open here. Nuskin. So Nuskin. From Nuskin, whoever sponsored for this, thank you. Ah! Another toothpaste. Here's the box. Oh, sorry. I'll put it again. But this is the box. Inside the box. I'll put it down. Nuskin Instaglow Tinted Self Tanning Gel. I feel like they know. Smells so good. I use tinted tanning lotion because I wanna look tan. I want to and even my color. So I use tinted lotion, tanning lotion. So this is perfect. I thank you. This is cool. Nuskin Tinted Self Tanning. I will be using that for real, for sure. Of course, another toothpaste. Yes. Wow, that's a lot of products that I got for free. This is free giveaway. So if you are a stay-home mom, just follow them, PEGTALK, every Friday, guys. You're gonna get a chance to win prizes like this. They have a lot of sponsors. So cool, right? So Nuskin Light Chip Lip Plumping Balm. Lip balm. So I will be using this, of course. I'll open it. I want to see. I want to show you what's inside of it. Let's open. Who loves this product? I've never ever tried this product before, so this is perfect. Wow, look at the bottle. Elegant. It's elegant, right? Wow. I will research how much will it cost for this beauty box. Wow. So cool. I love it. I feel like I'm nagmamayamanin. If you know that term, you feel like you're rich. So next would be the Light Shine Curl and Lash Mascara black. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Yes. Thank you, PEGTALK. And thank you to the sponsor of Nuskin. This is elegant. Oh my gosh. I love the color. Another favorite color that I like. Oh my gosh. It's very elegant. Very elegant. I'm gonna try it, but I already have some, just a little bit. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for this. Oh my gosh, there's more. No, there's more. I'm gonna open more. What is this? Power Lips Polish Dual Lip Shine. I'm not gonna buy any beauty products now because I got really good brand. I've heard a lot of good things about this product, and this is free, so it didn't cost me a lot. I learned a lot of valuable information from PEGTALK. At the same time, I won a prize. So what are you guys waiting for? Check them out. So here. Wow, it's perfect. This is my favorite color for lip gloss or lip tint, whatever. But I'm gonna try it. Okay. And then there's this one. Ah, oh my gosh. Wow. So cool, right? I love it. Thank you so much. You don't know how you make me feel today. I'm so happy. And the box is very elegant. What? Celtic Ultra Recovery Mask. Wow. Nutri-Essential Celtrix Ultra Recovery Mask. Recharge tired skin after a long day. I'm gonna use it today. Recovery mask. It's infused with shea butter and powerful blend of adaptive plant extract to restore and revitalize your complexion during the skin natural repair process. Each 100% cotton sheet is lightweight. So after cleansing and toning phase, direction, open one pouch and unfold mask, position and smooth the soft cotton. So leave the mask for 10 to 20 minutes. Use this 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week. So I have 5 masks. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. These are the things. These are the beauty products that I got from PEGTALK for free, guys. So for all the stay-home moms there, and you want to chat with these ladies, feel free to check them out, PEGTALK. And thank you guys for watching, and hope you like this kind of video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm Melanie, aka Contempairs. Enjoy your day. Goodbye for now. Please check out this video or this one. Bye. Stay beautiful because you deserve it.